Hi, my beautiful people. Welcome to my channel. Today's read is all about educational guidance, how the things will go, how the coming year will go for student, because this is so because when you are in 10th or in 12th class, there is a transition as your studies will get changed, right? So I thought of making for this video, and hope this will give you some idea about your year, because this is the transition time for you guys, because you are in, maybe you are in 10th or maybe you are in 12th class, and you have to choose your career. You have sometimes you have to choose your play you sometimes you have to change your place, you have to change your subjects, because if you are in 10th, you have to change your subject, something new is coming in your life. And when you are in 12th class, it may possible that you are changing your place also, and that will give you little goosebumps, because you are at your comfort zone and now you are moving from your place. So being education being I'm closely knit with the educational stream, so I'm super excited to this video. And today I have selected 5 piles, and what you have to do, you have to close your eyes, focus on each and every number, and feel the energies where you get most resonated one, right? So let me tell you the pile numbers. This is pile number 1, pile number 2, pile number 3, this is pile number 4, and this is pile number 5. So you have to choose from these 5 piles. So let's start with the pile number 1. So this is pile number 1. Okay, let's see. Maybe you are in 10th or you are in 12th. Maybe you are looking for your result that you are expecting so much. And maybe if you are in 10th class, and obviously you are there, here you need to choose your subjects. You want your subjects to be like where you will outgrow. Maybe you want to grow out of this country, maybe you want to shift to other country, maybe you want to travel some foreign land, and now maybe you want to pursue in non-medical line, MBA line, where you can do MBA further, which may give you opportunity to settle at foreign land. You want to do some traveling like to foreign lands, or there is some export import business you are more interested into, right? But this card tells me that maybe you are not happy with your marks, what you achieved right now, because you put lot of effort. You are expecting so much, but maybe you did not score so well. Then this is that, and so this is quite a difficult time for you to choose the subject, and you are so close within yourself, maybe you are so upset, you are thinking like what should you do now. But don't think marks never decide your future. Your talent, your caliber, your efforts will matter so much. And these two cards definitely tell me that you are moving out of this little uh, indecisive state. It is sure that you are moving out of your place, you are moving out of your comfort zone. Maybe you are getting placement which is far away from your own on place, or you are doing lot of traveling for your coaching classes while pursuing this class. But that will give you lot of success, that will give you lot of happiness. No doubt, you have to put your hard work, you have to put your efforts, you have to put your sweat in this what you are choosing right now. But definitely it will give you lot of success, it will make you victorious. But you need to put every bit of your blood in this whatever you are choosing. You have to put lot of hard work, lot of efforts you have to make. There is no other option, there is no shortcut for it. But it will surely make you to the make it will take you to some foreign land, maybe it will take you to some other country, definitely. But it is the beautiful, remember, the indecisiveness surely is there, indecisiveness is there, and you have to come out of this. Your plans are very big, you want expansion, you want to, Authenticity and gratitude. Okay, maybe you receive little less marks, as I told you. That's why you are not happy, you are upset, you are folding your emotions inside. But you have to say the gratitude, you have to show your gratitude. Whatever you are getting, you have to say thank, track more and more blessings in your life. Situation is not blocking your path of success and victory. So just say thank you, God. Whatever He has chosen for you is the best for you. Authenticity said, yeah, definitely. Again, it says ki whatever the God has chosen to you, whatever the God has given, the inner strength, God has already instilled some knowledge within you. Use that knowledge and definitely you will come out of that situation. This is beautiful. So pile number 1, get ready. Lot of hard work is coming in your life. So let's start with pile number 2. Some hidden feelings are there. And maybe I think because of this heartbreak, your heart is so heavy. You are not putting a lot of hard work in your studies, in your education, where it is most required at this time. There you have to put your efforts. This is the transition time. You have to choose your career. You have to choose your subjects. Every moment is demanding your time. Is you have to put your efforts. You need to put your focus to the very minute things of your uh, curriculum, of your course study, and this will bring you lot of, obviously there is lot of passion in you. I think some of you have chosen mechanical or civil. This will bring you lot of creativity. You are very passionate to machinery. I think you love to work with machines, but it is a must to come out of this despair situation. Don't get nostalgic. You have to come out of this. You have to move further. Let go of your past. It will not serve you anymore. It will block your path of success. And open your heart to love. Definitely open your heart to love yourself. Time where you need to put your energies to do hard work related to your study. Just need to let go of your past. This is blocking you. Pile number 3, let's see what's there for you. Okay, you are getting some new project and classes of you. Wow, your classes have started, or maybe it is starting soon. Learning and teaching are the part of your higher calling. Wow, you are so much interested in some technical subjects where obviously you need to learn so many things, but you are maintaining some silence here before the startup or some new project. Definitely something new is coming in your path, but your mind is dwelling in your past. You are maintaining silence. Why you dwell so much in your past? Come out of this situation. See the past. It is very creative. You have to put your creativity in this. Whatever the offer is coming to you, it will bring lot of balance, harmony in your life. You Lots of mess is going on in your mind. Maybe you are struggling with your some emotions or some temperament which you cannot handle right now. Don't look at the past. It's just a wastage of time and energy. Just channelize yourself to your subjects to is the utmost requirement of your life, and definitely you will get healed. You will come out as a balanced energy. New projects are there, classes, some new action is coming, some new idea which you have started is coming to a reality. Don't miss your things. Don't get upset. Maybe you have to come out of this. A beautiful offer is coming to your way. Maybe you will get admission at some good place, or maybe some new friendship you will get, which will heal your past things. This energy will help to heal your past things. Okay, then there are a lot of good things are coming. Put your focus in your new project. Now see for pile number 4, what's there for you. New beginnings are there. Maybe people are very fun loving, you are very joyous people, very fun loving, very emotional people, and you want to choose your journalism or media as a career, and there is lot of new beginnings is coming which bring lot of growth in your life. This card says me that you are so much passionate about something which will enhance your creativity, your joyous nature. You're so fun filled person, huh? You want your surroundings should be very light, very positive, and you want lot of laughs in your life, and very good news something is coming related to your passion, and some new growth, definitely some new growth is there, and which will definitely give you great career ahead. For that you have to move out of your comfort zone, you have to move out of your place, maybe you have to go out of your home, your comfort zone, and you have to choose some other place for your studies. You are not studying at home, what I can see. And this devil card says what I want to suggest you after looking at this card. And there are a lot of cups. See, you have to put a control over yourself for all the negative energy with habits which generally teenagers are fall into. They are prone to fall into all these habits like drinking, smoking, pubs, and all the things. But you need to control over that habit. That is not good for you. That is not good for anyone, actually not anyone. Media and journaling says ki you are interested in some project which is where you can show your talents through media, through print, through audio, through your videos. Maybe you want to start some YouTube channel, or maybe you are working with maybe you started your study to get some job in media. Maybe you want to do some acting, maybe you want to do some journalism course type something. Consistently writing about your feeling, and also write down your feelings and activities stirs creative idea and build confidence as a writer. Or maybe you want to be a writer, maybe you want to write something just to enhance your creative skills or to channelize your energy, right? But you are such a beautiful personality. Don't spoil your personality by indulging in some bad habits. Your nature as a person, you are very joyful. Don't spoil your future by just enjoying some silly things. So let's start with pile number 5. Okay, pile number 5, you are so much I can sense you are putting all your energy to your studies. You never see yourself to groom. You never get time to groom yourself. You never stand up in front of the mirror to love yourself. Spend some time in doing that also. That is a part of the life also. If you are studying so hard, you need to put some uh, you have to love yourself also. And I can see your movement from your place. You are moving, definitely you are moving out of your comfort zone, means you are moving out of your home. Maybe you are going some far away place where you need to be at host, where you have to leave your home, where you have to leave your comfort zone, right? You are moving, and you are entering into some project. You are starting with some new career. You are doing some traveling part. Either you are traveling for your coaching classes, maybe you are joining some coaching classes, and where you need whatever the subjects you have chosen. Maybe you have chosen science, medical, or non-medical. Traveling, you are feeling little insecure. Maybe the subjects you have chosen is bit harder but you are expecting them, and you are feeling little abundant with your books. Yes, right. You are feeling abundant with your books. But don't worry, there is the help beside you. Just give a look, someone definitely is there. Maybe your friend, maybe your parents, maybe your teachers. Obviously they are there, they are beside you to help you. Just give them a look. Don't feel abandoned, don't feel isolated, don't feel insecure that you cannot do the subject. Definitely you will come out as a victorious person. You will definitely score very good. Ask for what you want. Definitely this is just show your gratitude, ask what you desire for, and nurture yourself. You are doing only and only studies. Just stand in front of the mirror, see yourself, you are the beautiful person, you love yourself. Tell to yourself that you love, that personality, right? Nurturing is a must. Don't forget yourself. When you are sitting with books, don't forget yourself, don't forget to comb, don't forget to dress nicely, don't forget to put perfume or dew which you like the most. Okay, so these little things actually give so much relaxation to your mind. Okay, this is all for the today's read. Hope you like this read. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share and comment. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye.